We, as the planning board, just want you to know that your planning board disagrees with your belief. We offered to meet with the town board for over a year to discuss our views in a public forum, our 27-page document. Our efforts were rejected. Instead, our comments were discussed behind closed doors in an attorney-client confidential meeting. The attorney gave his comments to our town board. Our town supervisor, knowing that those comments were confidential, released them to us. I can't help but wonder whether that release was made after a vote of the town board authorizing the release. I don't think so. I haven't heard it yet.
You're nearing the end.
But I'd like to thank Dan Joyce and Mary Jo Cords, because at the last meeting, they tried to get the resolution passed that we would discuss it in public. It was defeated. I have one further comment to make about the notice. The notice in this matter said, very simply, please be advised that the Town Board of Cairo will hold a public hearing on the proposed zoning law on Thursday, July 30th. A notice is supposed to give adequate notice so that everybody knows what's going on. Let me tell you what the law has held to be a proper notice. Notice is hereby given that a public hearing will be held by the Town Board of the Town of Monroe, Orange County, New York, North Main Street School, North Main Street, Monroe, at 8 o'clock on the 26th of May, 1965, for the purpose of considering the passage of a proposed local law, which local law shall be known as the zoning law of the Town of Monroe, and which local law will divide the Town of Monroe into 10 classes of districts and provide a superseding zoning law in place and instead of the zoning ordinance in 1942. Let me just read you briefly.
Your time, Mr. Benoit.
Let me just read you briefly an improper notice. A public hearing will be held at the Veterans of Foreign Wars Hall, 30 Elizabeth Street, Red Hook, on January 19, 1972, on the proposed zoning changes in the town of Red Hook. Now, I ask you, which notice do you think is in more comports with the law the way things are supposed to be? My argument is, this notice was improper, this meeting is illegal, and we should not move forward at this point in time. Thank you.